To become a proficient software developer, consider the following steps. 1. Strengthen core knowledge. Establish a strong foundation in one or more programming languages. 2. Develop algorithmic thinking. Enhance problem-solving skills by regularly solving algorithmic problems. 3. Practice coding. Apply theoretical knowledge by working on real projects, both small and large in scale. 4. Use version control systems. Learn version control systems like Git to manage projects effectively. 5. Understand software architecture. Familiarize yourself with software design principles to create maintainable and extensible code. 6. Continuous learning. Stay open to continuous learning as technology evolves. Embrace new languages, libraries, and technologies. 7. Teamwork and communication. Being a good developer involves not only writing code, but also effective communication and teamwork. 8. Software design principles. Embrace principles that contribute to good software design for scalable and maintainable solutions. 9. Continuous integration. Understand and implement continuous integration practices to ensure the smooth integration of code changes. 10. Debugging skills. Strengthen debugging skills. The ability to analyze and solve problems is crucial for your career. 11. Code reviews and feedback. Participate in code reviews and be receptive to feedback. This enhances code quality. 12. Documentation and testing. Practice writing clear documentation and gain experience in writing tests. These contribute to code reliability. 13. Adapt to emerging technologies. Stay adaptable to emerging technologies. Being open to trends enhances your skill set. 14. Collaborate with the community. Engage with the developer community, both locally and online, to learn from and share experiences. 15. Strive for continuous improvement. Reflect on each project, identify areas for improvement, and strive for continuous enhancement. Becoming a skilled software developer is an ongoing journey. As you gain experience, your achievements and expertise will naturally grow. Thank you for watching Code Wizard.